Hey, it's Morgan Brelanthan and Meredith Breland here, reporting from Myrtle Beach. It's day 3, and we've had the best day ever. Right, Mare?
Yes!
So, we are just going to tell you what happened. You're going to love every minute of it. Okay, well, first Mare?
Yes?
Meredith, did you hear that?
No.
Oh, okay. So then the next thing we did was... Meredith, did you hear that?
Yeah.
Do you think it's... Zombies! I think there's been an outbreak of zombies in Myrtle Beach, and we're hiding in the closet, and I think they finally reached our apartment. Zombies! No, we are just kidding with you. There's no zombies. It's a bright day, and like zombies? No, there's no zombies. Oh no, not again. Where